This is sound check. Sound check. Checking the sound. Making sure this video uploads. Call hello, y'all. Bashim El Shah, Bashim Rakakadash. This is a sound check. I'm going to let this video play, and then I'm going to let this video play in the back and just make sure the sound comes on. Let's go ahead and watch this video.
Into the skin. Watch this video to see how fast chlorine absorbs into the skin.
This is an eye-opening demonstration of chemicals in your water. Unfiltered tap water, which we will pour in 2 glasses. OTO chemical, test for chlorine, very sensitive for it. 10 drops. Notice it turning yellow, the evidence of chlorine. No chlorine in this water. Where did that chemical go? While I was testing this glass over 10 seconds, all that chemistry went into my skin and my hands. There are 80,000 unstudied and unregulated chemicals in our tap water, causing all sorts of health issues, from as simple as brittle hair and dry skin to respiratory issues and even cancer.
Watch this video to see how
It says we shall eat our defiled bread among the Gentiles. And this water is definitely defiled. So this is a mic check on the sound. Make sure the video comes out okay. Shalom.